Check this shit out. Get this shit up. Shannon, hey man, if you ever playing, you're like, okay, man, fuck that. I feel like I'm doing the right thing, man. And it sounds like shit. The first thing you do is check your tuning. So I feel like that sounded like shit. Crap. If there's kids listening, I said that sounds like a ship of fools. A ship of fools. That was the first Grateful Dead's like really hardcore love song, man. Ship of fools. Sink your ship of fools. But something's not right, man, with the guitar. I'm hoping. If something's... Look, I'm tuning. Right now I'm on B. It's looking good. That looks alright. G looks alright. D's a little high. Please don't talk. D looks a little high. I'm gonna leave it that way. A little low. I like to get through this. Alright, check this out, man. Here we go. Okay, I'm tuned in, man. So, I sounded like shit. Hear me. I sounded like shit. I'm hungry. I think it's because I might be hungry, probably tired. I'm counting my frets right now. If you know what frets are. This song is by Todd Snider, Mr. Todd Snider, and it's called Force of Nature. He plays it in the. That's why I was playing it in the 7th fret, and it's here we go, babies. Oh, we're gonna lay down. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to the 4th fret. Galen Wells, if you're listening, I am thinking of you right now. Man, do you like hybrid? There it is. Well, if we never get together again, please forgive me for all the fools I've been. See, you can remember me when I was listening to my better angel. See you. I forgot. What am I singing now? I'm gonna start from the top. I know what I'm singing. I can't see well now. And I've got a teleprompter in front of me. And my teleprompter person fell asleep. Kind of messed me up a little bit. But I don't judge them. It's okay. I fall asleep too. I get tired. I'm tired now. But I'm just trying to do this. Here we go. We're going to do it one more time. This is Mr. Todd Snider's Force of Nature. Honorably and respectfully. Well, if we never get together again, please forgive me for all these fools I've been. See, you can remember me when I was listening to my better angels, and to see if you can remember me when I was listening. Well, it's like a fortune Joe coming over me. I can't keep myself moving, moving like a force of nature. Like a force of nature. Like a force of nature. May your hopes always outweigh your doubts, till this whole world finally punches you out. May you always play your music loud enough to wake up all of your neighbors. Or may you play this loud enough to always wake yourself up. It's like the rose coming over me. I can keep myself from moving, moving like a force of nature. Like a force of nature. It's like a force of nature. It's like a force of nature. It's like a force of nature. So much Latin. How you gonna like that?
Shit.